Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure Windows 11 is current, so updates won't block the Wallpaper app. Once done, open Microsoft Store and install Bing Wallpaper. Sign in if you want synced favorites. After installation, make sure the app is allowed to run at startup and granted background permissions. This keeps daily images arriving. Now, launch the app and accept the prompt to set images as your desktop background. This begins the automatic image rotation immediately. Once the app is running, open its settings to control how it behaves. You can set update frequency, enable or disable lock screen images, and access image history. This explains why images change. Make sure multi-monitor support is on and pick which displays receive daily images, because Windows treats monitors individually. If you want to keep a photo, mark it as a favorite or export the file to a folder. Make sure to pin any permanent image so it won't be replaced on the next cycle. Finish by rebooting to verify Bing Wallpaper starts automatically and rotates images as scheduled. If it doesn't update, check your internet connection, confirm the app has background permissions, and ensure battery saver or focus assist isn't blocking updates. Also make sure Windows region and time settings are correct, because that can affect content delivery. If problems continue, reset the app or reinstall it. Before you do, export favorites so you don't lose save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.